Something you believe about reality right now is actually wrong, because reality isn't as solid as it feels. Scientists keep discovering things that sound fake, but they're actually real. And the last fact might completely change how you think about time. Let's start with something simple: time. Most people think time moves the same everywhere, but it doesn't. If you stand on top of a mountain, you age slightly faster than someone standing at sea level. Gravity bends space and time. Stronger gravity slows time down. Scientists proved this using atomic clocks. Two clocks placed at different elevations slowly drift apart. One literally experiences time faster than the other, which means technically, people living on mountains are aging faster than people at the beach. Not by much, but enough to measure. But it gets stranger. Color doesn't exist the way you think it does. Light itself has no color, it only has wavelengths. Your brain translates those wavelengths into color: red, blue, green. But pink? Pink doesn't exist in the light spectrum. Your brain creates pink when it mixes red and violet signals. So pink isn't something your eyes detect, it's something your brain invents. And the next fact is where scientists start arguing, which means one of the most common colors in the world is technically a hallucination. Now here's something weird about your face. You've never actually seen it, not once. You've seen reflections, photos, mirrors, but mirrors flip your image. The version you recognize is reversed. The version other people see is slightly different. Now this next one is wild. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. Chess has about 10 to the power of 120 possible games. Scientists estimate there are about 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the observable universe. That means a simple board game contains more possibilities than the universe itself. But the next one completely breaks logic. But here's where things get even weirder. If the sun disappeared right now, we wouldn't know immediately. Light takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. So for 8 minutes, everything would look normal. Then suddenly, the sunlight would vanish. And 8 minutes later, Earth would begin drifting through space. And what scientists discovered next is even stranger, which means every time you look at the stars, you're seeing the past. Some stars may not even exist anymore, you're seeing ancient light. Now let's talk about memory. Most people think memories work like recordings, but they don't. Every time you remember something, your brain reconstructs it, you rebuild the memory. And during that process, details can change, which means some of your strongest memories might not be completely accurate. Your brain edits your past. And now the strangest one: reality might not be continuous. Physics suggests there may be a smallest possible unit of space. It's called the Planck length, about 1.6 times 10 to the negative 35 meters. Smaller than that, space may not exist. Reality might be made of tiny units, almost like pixels. And if reality has pixels, that raises an interesting question. What exactly is the hardware that is rendering the screen? The deeper scientists study reality, the less normal it becomes. If even one of these facts surprised you, subscribe. Because the deeper scientists study reality, the less normal it becomes.